So today I'm going to be trying out my favorite burger joints in Kolkata, and I'm going to be listing down 5 of the best Kolkata has to offer when it comes to burgers. Here it is, my favorite. So this is the Whaler burger. I think without any doubts, it's very clear why it's called so. Just look at the size of the patty over here. Tanuj tells me this is the real size of the patty and it's going to be for everyone. So whoever is coming, you have to tell me. Let me just break into this first. Just look at this. It's so fresh inside the fish over here. That's Kolkata Betki. So this is what the burger looks like. If it's a gourmet place, it's going to be everything made from scratch over here. Tanuj tells me barring growing the vegetables, he just joked around, the vegetables aren't grown by them, but everything else, French brioche pan, UK cheddar, your in-house pickles. Extremely juicy patties inside with a lot of cheese. Somehow the pickle adds a different flavor altogether, so it balances the entire out. It's not very cheesy because there's going to be a lot of pickle as well and the fresh lettuce. I think by now you would have guessed why this is one of my favorite burgers. If you want to try this, you have to come to Pronto at Godiya and try this for yourself and let me know in the comment section how your experience was over here. We are at the second spot for the burger series and we are at my favorite Hickory and we're going to be trying out some smoked burgers.
We are having the dinner burger.
Great. What is this burger?
This burger have chicken patty and we have onion ring on top.
Okay.
And barbecue. Hickory is flavored barbecue.
Great. Let's start.
Special. So I'm gonna smoke it with the hickory flavored wood.
Alright.
Okay, guys.
Are we ready? Let's go. Whoa! Check this out, guys. This is a hickory smoked ringer burger, which is chicken. This has a side of buttered mushrooms, buttered mushrooms, onion rings, fries, some caramelized onions, and this gigantic piece of burger. Kiki,
We have a chicken patty.
Okay.
We have grilled onion at the down. We have iceberg lettuce, and we have onion ring inside also with some hickory barbecue.
Hickory barbecue sauce. Let's give this one. Incredible. Aman is laughing from back. I thought it was messy, but there's nothing you can do about it when you're having a good burger. Of course, it's going to be messy. It is filled with a lot of dressing. It's not going to be dry, and the patty is juicy, and the barbecue sauce. You have to come here to try this one, guys. A burger ta baad diye, any other burger which you would recommend viewers who are not a fan of chicken burger maybe?
Okay. Beside this, the most popular burger among this hickory is what is that?
পুলড পোর্ক বার্গার মাংসো আর পুলড পোর্ক বার্গারটা ভীষণ ভালো লাগবে খেতে এটা আমি মানে নিচে থেকে বলতে পারি গ্যারান্টি
কারণ এটা 7 ঘন্টা কুক হয় ওভেনের মধ্যে যাতে এটা মানে বোন থেকে বেরিয়ে যায় মিটটা আফটার দ্যাট উই পুট ইন আ বার্গার এন্ড ইট ইজ ডিলিশিয়াস বিসাইডস দ্যাট বাফালো চিকেন বার্গার ইজ অ্যানাদার চ্যাম্পিয়ন অফ hickory smoke bistro cafe.
Alright, so we are at the third stop and we are here at the Calcutta Bakery Cafe and we're going to be trying out the Cheezel Beezel burger over here. Look at this burger. Now this is a mutton Cheezel Beezel burger. We have a patty which is fried mozzarella and this is a lamb patty with some cheese, lettuce, a lot of onions, a lot of tomatoes and some fries and dips by the side. So attempt to break this. Can you see this cheese? Since it's mozzarella, I wanted to show you what the real deal is going to be. This is the burger. So the lamb patty, Cheezel Beezel at the Calcutta Bakery. I'm going to take another bite from here. You have to be very careful with these. Don't injure yourself while trying to bite into a burger. So apart from this particular burger, there are other options as well. First of all, you'll get the Cheezel Beezel in chicken. There are also Mediterranean as well as Burgundy burger. But my suggestion, if you're coming over here, you have to try this particular one during the season. So we are are at the 4th spot for the burger series, and we have the famous Kosha Mangsho burger, the Big Bong burger at Big Fat Belly. Now this used to be at one point of time my favorite and the only place I used to come for burgers. So we had to be here covering this particular place when it comes to a burger series from FoodZpah's end. So this is what the burger looks like. It is filled with onion rings. Now this is a pulled Mangsho which is prepared after cooking for 6 hours, I'm told. And it has a lot of these dressing, egg, onion, and lettuce. Are we ready? Dripping off, falling off. This is very juicy, very meaty. Perfect for a meat burger. Aside from this, if you're a fan of chicken burger, they also have a chicken juicy Lucy burger. You can definitely give that one a try. The 5th spot, the final spot of the burger series. Now this is something you might not have been very prepared for. It's a surprise for all of you. Recently I got a comment on my Instagram who mentioned that the burger, the chicken burger served over here is one of the most flavorful, little simple, subtle but a really good burger. We're going to be getting into Peter Cat and trying out the burger over here. Let's get into it. Alright, so we are settled inside Peter Cat and we're going to be trying out chicken burger. Peter Cat special chicken burger, grilled burger. It has its special house-made sauces as well as fries. Are we ready? Now this, compared to all the burgers which we've had, I'm sure a lot of you have been surprised with this. The reason why we chose this is of course a legendary place. A lot of you are not aware that this place serves burgers. And it serves the simplest of burgers with a simple patty, which is very well seasoned, like it has been described by Wes to me. So I'm really lucky that he has suggested this to me. And this is one burger, which is pretty simple, but it has all the qualities of a good burger. So when FoodZpah is doing a series, of course I'm going to be showing you all the popular burger joints, plus a hidden gem, which I'm sure a lot of you weren't aware of. But after this, you guys might want to try. Even the fries over here, they are uniquely cut in a different way. Not your usual fries. Those are long, these are a little stunted, but these are house-made fries. So if you did enjoy this particular video, make sure that you share it with your friends and family if you did enjoy this particular idea of a burger series. And if you'd want us to do a similar series in future, do let us know in the comment section. Let us know what your favorite burger joints in Kolkata are, how much it matches with the recommendations given by FoodZpah. If you're going to try these places out, if you've tried the places already, I would want you all to try this place over the next couple of months. It's not important that you cover all 5 in one day like me. You can just phase it out during your festive season. Do give all of them a try, the burgers which we've mentioned, the burgers which are there otherwise, and let us know in the comment section how you enjoy. Until next time, this is FoodZpah wrapping up from Park Street. Cheers.